Greetings. This is another in a series of videos to showcase the Open Data Commons for spinal cord injury, or ODC for short. In this tutorial, we are going to briefly cover managing your account, creating a digital lab for you and your team members to exchange and share data, and managing who has access to the data in your lab. To get started, we go to ODC-SCI.org. To log in, select the Login option on the top right side of the page. Once logged in, scroll to the My Account pull-down menu and select Information. In this page, you will see your name and email. You will also see your ORCID ID. If your ORCID ID is not displayed, there will be an option to add your ORCID ID to your account. This is important and required in order to use the ODC. If you do not have an ORCID ID, please create one by going to ODC-SCI.org. Now that all of your information is correct and up to date, you can start to explore the ODC. But now you are wondering how to create a lab. To get started, select the My Lab option in the home page. Because I am already in a lab, it would take me to my primary labs page. If you are not in a lab, you will be taken to a page that lists all labs in the ODC. On this page, you can register a new lab by selecting the Register a New Lab button. Enter your lab's name, a description of your lab that will be displayed in your labs page, and a description of your lab that will be displayed to all members of the ODC. We recommend the description lists the PI, the institution, and the PI's department. Once all the information is provided, you can create a new lab. The information you provided will be reviewed by the ODC, and your new lab should be approved shortly thereafter. If your lab is not approved and you are not contacted within 48 hours, please contact our help desk by sending a brief message. This can be achieved by using the small window on the bottom right side of your browser. Let's briefly discuss who should have a lab. Only PIs should have a lab. If you are a graduate student, postdoc, or staff, you may create a lab for your PI, but you should not try to create your own lab. This way, there will be less confusion and more organization in our data commons. Once your lab is created, you can manage it by going to My Lab. And selecting the Manage Lab option. You can promote members, downgrade members, and remove members from your lab. There are 3 stages of membership. Members can only upload data, delete data they uploaded, and make any data they uploaded public only to the lab. A manager can do all of the things members can do. In addition, managers can promote or remove members from the lab, and can delete, hide, or share any data set with the lab. The PI can manage all data and access to the lab. The PI can also make any data set public. That about wraps it up for this video. In future videos, we're going to go over uploading, downloading, and sharing data. Happy data sharing, folks, and I'll see you in the next video.